This week we're building a treehouse bed with just a drill and a saw. We're the White family. We live in rural Alaska, and for us, it's DIY all day, every day. So our son had his big 5th birthday a couple weeks ago, but since it was right after Christmas, we didn't have a lot of time to work on a project, but we've been promising him a big boy bed since he's moved upstairs and sleeping on his own. So we're going to try to tackle that this week. So Jacob got all the boards cut out, and it took him probably about an hour altogether to get it all done. We decided to go ahead and pre-stain all of the boards and then move everything up into the room and assemble it there, because it's got to go up 2 flights of stairs that are kind of tricky, and we just figured it'd be easier to do this way. So we're going to use briar smoke because it's a nice neutral warm gray tone, and it's very similar to what you might see if wood got left out in the natural elements. So we're just going to go ahead and stain away. That is beautiful.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah, this has got a nice brown undertone to it that I really like.
All right, get to it.
Yep.
Chop, chop.
Next time you see this pile, it's all going to be this color.
Okay, so we got all the boards cut, got them all hauled upstairs, so now I'm going to start assembling them, and it'll look like a bed here shortly.
Are you excited about getting a new bed?
Yeah.
What's it going to look like?
Cabin.
You're going to build a bed that looks like a cabin? Really? All right, go get your tool belt on so you can help.
This bed is actually a really simple build.
This is
You can see the legs
What does a cow sound like?
are all done here. Now we can go ahead, we can just attach one of the supports here. We put our 2 sideboards on, that kind of got the shape built. Now it's for us to put the siding on, the roof, done deal. Before I go any further, I'm going to go ahead and add this top 1x6 all the way around. That way I know that the project is nice and square.
Okay, so we're about ready to put the roof on the bed, but there's overhangs and you can't exactly compute for that because the boards could be just a hair big, and by the time you stack them all it can add up to quite a bit. So what I want to do is start with the first roof board in the middle, and then we can just work our way out. So I'm finding the center, then I'll offset over to account for the width of the 1x8, and then we'll just throw them up and screw them down. So. So got pretty much the bed done. It was pretty quick and easy build, but now we're going to throw the slats in. So we just found whatever leftover 2x material we have, cut down to size, and we're just going to throw it in there and get the mattress on.
So it's time for the mattress to go on. Let's see how it fits.
It does feel like a tree house in here.
Somebody likes it. What do you think?
Yeah.
You gonna sleep here tonight?
This was a very quick and very easy project, and you guys all know we love our Craig jig, but for those of you that don't have one, we didn't use one. We just used a drill and some screws, not even a nailer on this project.
Definitely a project you can do without the crack jig, but you know, you can do it with as well.
Yeah, so definitely all you'll really need is some sort of saw to cut wood and measuring tape and a drill and some good screws. So we'll be putting these plans up for you guys to enjoy and build for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next Monday.
See ya. Are you gonna get scared in here?
No.
It's kind of your own little cabin.
A bear shouldn't come up.
Can I hang nice pretty curtains up?
No, bears can't come up here. I'm just joking.
It's like a tree stand.
Yeah, you could shoot them from here.
Or after you put a camera out.
Yeah, we could put a camera on there and see what's roaming in
The
the
camera
woods.
right there.
I gotta tell you what, buddy, you got the best Northern Lights view in the house.
No, what if we just put this thing out here, and the northern lights can come out.
Yeah, we could do that. So, all right.
I was
Cool.
having a joke.
Another project down, so another busy week in the White household between hockey and furniture building.
Hockey.
Hockey.
Oh, well, at least we didn't have to make a hockey goal bed or something like that. Cool.